There's no need to wrestle with those packages and bags anymore. With the newly updated Winkeep shopping cart, perfect for navigating uneven trails or sidewalks, or transporting your packages to the car. The cart's uniquely engineered design is ideal for going up or down stairs easily and without strain. The upgraded features of the cart include a wider platform, larger wheels, upgraded bungee cord, and higher chassis. With enlarged wheels, this heavy-duty cart is capable of carrying 220 pounds. Going upstairs with boxes or packages has never been easier, and the Winkeep cart beats the competition for ease of use. The unique 6-wheel design literally walks up the steps, making it a simple task. The handy bungee cord is able to help keep large loads tight and secure. Hundreds of uses. Great for hauling laundry, toolboxes, musical gear, grocery bags, file boxes, potted plants, just about anything. The Winkeep shopping cart saves you time, money, and yes, eliminates the backbreaking task of moving packages, boxes, and more. And it folds up and stores away almost anywhere. The Winkeep shopping cart comes packaged and must be assembled before use. To assemble, begin by laying out the parts on a table or floor, then follow these steps. That's it! Your Winkeep cart is assembled and ready for use.